Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favorite lip combinations. I'm really excited. I know you guys have been asking, so here it is. First off, I like to kind of like take my lip off with a makeup wipe. And what I mean by that, you know, like when you do like your full face and like your foundation and powder gets on your lips just naturally, I like to take that off. Personally, I just feel like I'm able to get a smoother, sharper application that way, so I like to do that. So I will just take a makeup wipe and outline, you know, the shape of my lips with a makeup wipe. I also like to slightly overline my lips as well, so yeah, just a heads up. For my lip combinations, I only use 2 liners. Whether it's a different lipstick or not, I use the same liners always. So that would be the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the color Cork, and then I use just a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheek Pillow Talk 3 Intense as well. So no matter what lipstick I'm wearing, these 2 liners are always on my lips. So starting with the MAC Cosmetics Cork liner, I'm gonna apply this one first. This is going to be the main liner that you're gonna see, and I just, you know, simply outline my lips with it. Like that, and if I make any mistakes, I'll simply kind of sharpen it with my concealer that I use on my face, and then I'll go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Pillow Talk 3 Intense, and I mainly use this just on the very edges of my lips, so starting right here and also on the very bottom. Now, putting a darker shade right on the edges to me creates the illusion that your lips are a little bit more plumped out and a little bit bigger. So when you put like a darker lip liner on the edges and then like something lighter in the center, it creates the illusion that your lips are actually bigger and more poutier versus like you just doing one single color. So now, one of my favorite lip combinations I like to do is I like to take MAC Cosmetics lipstick called Peachstock. I believe this color is sadly discontinued by MAC. I don't know why. They always get rid of like the best shades of everything, but this is Peachstock by MAC, and it's my ultimate favorite lipstick. Although they did get rid of it, this is my last lipstick, so I'm using the last one that I have, but this is basically the color. Now, a lot of the combinations that I like are really bright. They just would not work on my skin tone by themselves. So doing a darker liner definitely helps tone it down a little bit to where it's like wearable for my personal skin tone. So this is like what the color looks like. You can see it's very bright. If you want something similar, like a dupe for it, you could try the Huda Beauty cream lipstick. I believe it's called Rajah. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is what it looks like. It's slightly darker than Peachstock though, so it doesn't look like a perfect match. You can see like it's a little bit darker, but as far as like the undertone, it looks kind of similar. But yeah, I couldn't really find a dupe for it just yet, so we'll see. I'm still looking out for something very close to this, but yeah. So now I'm gonna put on Peachstock in the center of my lips. I just like to go in with my Cork liner to kind of blend it out. Now you can see this lipstick would definitely look too bright. It almost matches, you know, my skin tone, so if I had it just by itself, it would definitely wash me out. But with the darker liner, it kind of helps tone it down and makes it a little bit more wearable. And next is lip gloss. So I love wearing lip gloss. Lately, I've just been really into lip gloss. I feel like lip gloss also helps your lips look much bigger because of the shine and gloss to it, versus if you wear something matte, it kind of looks a little bit more flat. So I really like these 2 glosses by Alamar Cosmetics. It is their Nudes lip glosses, and I have the color Dulce and also the color Chula. So these two colors I would wear on top of these. I would probably say that Chula matches a little bit closer to the Peachstock color, but really Dulce looks really good on top of this anyway. So if you're looking for some nude lip glosses, I would say these two from Alamar Cosmetics are really good, Dulce and Chula. So I'm actually going to show you what Chula looks like on the bottom. Looks like that. Very, very pretty. This also helps, you know, blend out the edges of the liner with your lipstick a little bit more too when you apply it. And then I'm going to show you Dulce on the top. It's probably not going to look that much different, but just to show you. Like that. You can't really see the difference of the two, I feel, but very, very pretty. And yeah, this is like how I like to wear Peachstock. I feel like it's a nice peachy lipstick, peachy brown. Very, very pretty. One of my favorites. Okay, now we're going on to the next lipstick combination. Again, I have on the same lip liners. And now I'm going to show you a next favorite, which is by Morphe. It's called First Base. This is their Mega Matte Lipstick. First Base is really, really pretty to me. It's really bright. It looks basically like a concealer shade. Like, that's how bright it is. But I really love, you know, bright, dramatic lipsticks. So I'm going to put this in the center of my lip. And then I'm going to wear this one with Chula. Very bright, a little bit more dramatic than the last one. Next lipstick, I have LA Girl's lipstick in the color Nudie. And this one's really, really pretty as well. Really pretty. It's like kind of like a little bit of a darker peach color. I love how also creamy and glossy it looks already without me like putting on something on top of it yet. But if I were to put a gloss on top of it, I would use the Haus Laboratories lip gloss in the color Riot. Next lipstick I have is by Milani Cosmetics in the color Tease. And again, I'm going to put this in the center of my lip. This is Tease. It's kind of like a soft, light pinkish brown. And yeah, it's like a nice matte color as well, but it's also very creamy, so it doesn't feel like it's drying. Like, I would say out of all of them, the Morphe one feels the driest because it is a matte, but it's like a dry matte. But this matte by Milani is actually a little bit more hydrating. Like, it has a slight shine, but very subtle, but also hydrating and creamy. And then the Nudie from LA Girl Cosmetics and the Peachstock from MAC, these two are going to be like a high shine cream lipstick. But yeah, this is really pretty. If I were to wear a gloss on top of it, I would wear the Alamar Cosmetics Nudes lip gloss in the color Birthday Suit. Last but not least, I have MAC Cosmetics lipstick in the color Blankety, and this is kind of like a nice soft pink nude with a high shine. I'm gonna put this in the center of my lip. And with this one, I also like to wear the Alamar Cosmetics Nudes lip gloss in the color Birthday Suit. Like that, very, very pretty. This is actually the one that I'm going to wear today since I'm wearing more of a pinky blush. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Those were my 5 favorite nude lip combinations I love to wear. 90% of the time I'm always wearing Peachstock, but if I do change it up, it's any of these 4 lipstick combinations that I really love to wear. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!